Hey there, Rainbow Cake. Why so blue?
Are you gonna do a dinner time video?
It's funny you should ask. I was just about to start one right now.
Hooray! Rainbow Cake is happy!
Don't you worry, young one. It's dinner time.
Rainbow cake, 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 rainbow cake.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle. No problemo.
Good evening. It's dinner time. This video is from my favorite YouTuber, Jace. A couple shout outs today. I got to talk to my mom the other day, or yesterday anyway, and Elizabeth Good Toast W, and JC Boy, and his buddy Tierney. Good to get to talk to everybody. I know it's only been about a week since I've left, but I miss you guys lots. Boom. I didn't see any boom time or birthdays today, but if it is your birthday, I hope you're having a great one. Ben? What we got here today is some Korean style crispy chicken. Gonna give it a shot anyway. It's soy sauce and garlic flavored sauce with some white rice and kimchi, mango Pepsi for sip, and a little bit of extra garlic soy sauce for dip. Mhm. Yeah. Everything is just how it should be. I don't know, I think I could have left the chicken in the stove or the oven for a couple more minutes. Or I was just going by direction, but there's some crispy bits, but it's not like crispy, crunchy chicken. Still tastes good. Rice is good. Kimchi good. Mango Pepsi good. Life is good. This is my first video since my vacation, which technically probably should still be on, but on vacation anyway. But still, it's good to be back. It's my own bedroom and my own bathroom. But definitely had a great time up in Washington. I miss everybody. I was glad I got to see everybody. Everyone that I did see anyway. It's definitely a needed trip, and I'm already ready to go back, babe. there have been a couple nights prior that I wanted to film, but just getting back to the Eastern time zone kind of been throwing off my nappies. Been taking a little more than normal, but I figured I'd definitely showcase this crispy chicken. I got two kinds, the soy and garlic sauce, and I think it's just a Korean hot and spicy one, which might have to use my leftover rice and have another crispy chicken video. Part two of two. Wasn't too bad. Can't remember the price, but 20 minutes bake or in the oven. We'll flip once. I think the longest wait was getting the oven to preheat, but even that wasn't too bad. My rice was done about 2 or 3 minutes before the chicken was, and turned out pretty nice. Much like my day to day. Standard 8-hour workday. Nothing too bad, but was definitely ready to get home and take a quick snooze. Set my timer for an hour, and that came quicker than I like. It's all right. Maybe dinner time, bedtime. Who knows? I'm gonna do the whole rest of this food using the Rachel A reverse segment of the day. While I was in Washington, I was supposed to get a video of Rachel A actually saying, the Rachel A reverse segment of the day, so that I could throw it on here. But sometime, hopefully soon, get that going again. Boom.
I believe in the spices of life. I believe in dessert after every meal. I believe the cheeseburger can be your best friend or your worst enemy. I believe dinner time is the most important bit of the day. Good evening. It's dinner time.
I don't think the leftover rice is going to be making it to tomorrow's dinner time, so if there is one. So we'll see how that goes anyway. Just saying that that chicken was really good. Definitely worth a try. I think I'm having a nice rice bowl for lunch at work tomorrow. Sounds good. That was some good dinner. But dinner time is over. Peace.
现在是观看新人烦恼，我喜欢。
This is Rainbow Cake, and I approve this video. Please like and share.